Okay guys, today's homework, today's work is okay boss. What shall we do? Create an Android application. Create the following. Create the following Android application. Create the following Android application. Okay boss, fine. What kind of application you want to create? Take an example. Here I'll give the flow chart. What is this? This is my login page boss. This is my login page. Now it contains some fields. Like take an example, username. Take an example, password. Okay. And when you click on submit button, or when you click on login button, it should have to pass this message as welcome. Otherwise, if it is not valid, it should pass as a login failed. Are you getting what I mean to say, boss? Huh? There are two cases. One is pass case, one is fail case. Okay. Login successful and should ask for welcome. You should ask for welcome, boss. Same way here also. Okay boss, fine. Let me rename this all the values. It should check the condition that it should check the condition that here is the condition. Here is the condition. Let me use the brush. Sorry. Remove. This is my condition symbol, and here I will configure. Here I will check the condition. Okay, based on the requirement. Fine boss, let me have the names for this application. Okay boss, fine. Here what you have to enter? You have to enter username. What do you have to enter, boss? Username. And here you have to enter what? Password. Okay. You have to check your condition. Check is it valid or not. Check it is it valid or not. Next. And here is your login button. Login button. Here should show the message as invalid login. Invalid login. And when you come here, it should say welcome. Welcome. Okay boss, fine. This application I want to design today by using switching intent. By using switching intent, boss. Okay, fine. Okay boss, let me close. Don't. What is the application number? I think it's 13 only. New project. This is my 13 application. Explicit intent login. Okay, explicit intent login. Click on next button. My minimum APK. Click on next button. Select the activity. Next and let me go to here. First is my welcome page now. So let me here login activity. Login activity, boss. Okay, finish. Till then, let me start the AVD and demonstrate to you how it works. Okay, boss, this one and proceed first. Abba, 220 messages. Guys, I asked you to create the group, but you haven't created the group for this classes, so you can get the update. What is the name? Boss is not a project team is there. Project team is there. I'm not able to find it, boss. Here, let me check. BOSS. Yeah, I got it. Android. All are it. Okay, I seen something here. Welcome to all. Let me post here. Got it now. Welcome to all. Fine, boss. I got it. Okay, boss. Fine. It's working. And this is my login activity, boss. Fine. Let me come here. All of you pay attention. Hello. Remove all these custom configure my own. Here, layout, and here, main mic. Go for all the layouts. But this is some comfort for the development currently. I go for all the layouts, whatever the layouts you are expecting. Boss. Fine. Asking for me to enter all the color component. Alt enter. First, let me add first layout, height, width, and the IDs and orientation. Okay. Android colon layout. Android colon. Android colon layout. Layout width. Assignment operator. Double quote. Let me match parent. Let me proceed for Android color layout underscore width. Let me match height is there. Let me match the parent. Match parent. Let me have the orientation. Orientation should be vertical because I'm not using tab. Okay. Let me add the ID. Okay, this is more than enough. You can add remaining property. What is the ID property that you want? Because ID linear layout 1. Okay. Now fine. I need two what? Text. Edit text. Wrap content. Wrap content. Instead of wrap content, let me give here what was match parent. Let me add here first. Okay, before this, let me add one text view. Match parent. Wrap content. Okay, boss. Let me text. And not context. Let me add login page. Okay. Just come here. Design part. How it sees. Okay, it's coming at the center. Let me mention the gravity also, so it will appear as center. Oh, everything is missing there. Okay, boss. Let me change the height, width, and all the padding. Okay. Padding. Padding. You can go for 20 dp. Helping now. Okay, boss. 20 dp is coming. Let me make the text somewhat text size. Text size is there already. Okay, text size. Suppose take an example 20 dp. Is it matching? Okay, boss. Next text color, and let me make it as what was. Let me go the yellow. Bar will get yellow, and from here I'll change to some other color. Which color should I go? I don't have very good choice of color, but just for managing sex, I'll take the purple color, and let me mention the gravity. GRAVI layout gravity. It should be at the center. Where is that center, boss? Okay, boss, it is appearing at the center. Okay, fine. Here, login page. Now next, what should I do, boss? Here and now here. More than enough. This is more than enough for my case. Now what should I do here? Let me add the ID. Add that ID. And this is my uname. Okay, username. And let me add here what was padding also, because padding is good for my case. And here is, you will come to know here. Look at your top padding. Here's 20 dp. Here's 20 dp. Fine, boss. And let me give the text color, text size, text hint also required. And not collect hint. Let me add the hint here. What is the hint? Enter the username. Okay, boss. Come to the design. Enter the username. You can see the difference here. Okay. Fine, boss. Now let me add what was one more control component. One more control component, that is the edit text. Edit text. This is my match parent. This is my wrap content. And here in add what was ID. This is my PS ID. Add that plus the password PS. Okay. Next, let me add the hint. Hint in the case of enter the password. Okay. And this is the password field now. Android colon input type. Here let me go for password. Text password. Okay. Text password is my details. Okay. Let's set the height and width. Sorry, wrap padding at the let me go the 20 dp. Okay boss, design. Okay boss, fine. And let me, what should I do boss here? Okay, this is more than enough. I need button. I need the button. Let me wrap the content. So, okay, wrap the content. Let me make the gravity because it should appear as a center. Gravity as a center. And let me add ID. ID is what? ID. That means login button. Okay, login only boss. Next, let me add the text here. Here the text should be at the login. Okay. Okay boss, let's check how. Let me add the gravity. Gravity already added, but it is not working here. It is asking for the gravity for the text only, not for what boss? The button. Okay boss, fine. Now this is my design is ready now. Let me fetch all those control component in my login activity. Is my login activity. Now here I am going for finding all the control component. Now here is my editor, text. Here is my uname, comma password. Okay. And button login. Okay. No matter either you give the both the name as both all side, no issues. Okay. What did I do? I had to find those control. I had to find those views in my activity. Okay. Just let me find the views. Find view by ID dot next u and next let me configure into this name assignment operator. Let me edit text. Next time let me go for is equal to, let me configure text find view by r dot id dot p ps. Okay boss, fine. Now two control component. Let me go proceed for button also. Login assignment operator. Now let me convert into button into find view by id r dot id dot login. Okay boss, fine. These are the more than enough. Now let me proceed for what boss? Login button. Okay, login. Look at here, don't get confused guys. Here also login, here also login. You can give both username as same, but that is a part of XML. Here is a part of Java. Okay, login dot if you perform the log based operations, you can use log. You can use a login dot set on click new on click. When this button will be closed, when it will be clicked, what I have to do? I have to verify and get the text from those edit text username and the password. Verify are they both are same, are they both are matching as per my requirement. If they both are matching, then proceed. If they are both are not matching, invalid, failed, or invalid login. Now first let me get this control component string. Here let me go for name is equal to uname dot text dot to string dot string. Okay, string pw equal to ps dot get text dot to string dot string. Okay boss, fine. Now next I compare if you name dot name dot equals of okay, let me see how was fine. And both are, I have to check both conditions at the same time. Okay, logical and pwd dot equals of, let me configure it was fine. Both are valid, some logic. If both valid, some, are you getting most? Fine. So I need to get two activities na, and to get another two levels of activities, just right click on the package. Okay, new, and here come to here activity and select here what was empty activity. Here is what is my name, welcome welcome activity, welcome activity. Okay, fine. This is not a launcher activity, guys, so do not click this one. Okay, this is not the launcher. Fine. Next, finish. Go to my resources. Yes, welcome. And I minimize some more. Let me add one. Let me add one text view. Okay. So here let me go design. What I'm trying to do. Okay. Match parent and match parent. To mention the gravity, you should set that. And next is welcome boss. Okay. Fine. It is coming at the center. Let me make it the height and width. 101. So size was 40 dp. Okay, and text color is what was, if we go for some different color, we will change the color from here. Let me take it as orange. Okay, choose. I chose that color. Fine, design. Okay, fine boss. What is showing the error? What is that? A view is not constrained. It has condition, so it will jump 0 to 0 unless you have constraints. More. So instead of this constraint layout, let me go for the texture is not aligned to here because of beauty. The view is not constrained. Okay, I have to go for. Okay, guys, this is more than enough. Fine. Proceed forward, boss. No, let me proceed. Let me add one more activity. Let me add one more activity. Right click, new, add. With that empty activity boss. This is invalid login. Invalid. Okay, invalid login. Now fine. Just click on finish. Now resource out, and here is my invalid login guys. Just nothing. I'm not going to do anything yet. That's what I'll do. One text view and wrap content and wrap content. Okay boss. What I got to add here, text and invalid login or invalid credential. Okay boss, fine. And text size somewhat around 40 dp. Next, text color, take some red color because invalid now. We go to red color. Here is my red color. Okay boss, the dark red. Okay boss, fine. But it is not showing an issue here. So why it is showing issue here? Control C. This is my welcome activity. Let me go to text. Let me change here. Control V. And here welcome. No boss. Now what we should move? To move to here now. Now let me just forward to create boss. Indent I is equal to new inter. Let me first make a context. Main name. What I'm like login activity dot this comma welcome activity dot class. What should do? Start. Start activity. Activity. What of spin up? Set to. Same here too. This what here? Need of login. Invalid. Invalid. Log class. Okay. Here is bracket. Here is the invalid login name, na? So I give my own name. Launch. Click on OK. And it will launch all. AJISP. Guys, you have to create a logo for Android, for iPhone, for Java technologies, for frameworks. So how many logos will you add now? Let me see. Okay, Android with Java. Yeah. iPhone. आणखीन एक हात वरी करून त्याच्यावर आयफोन दे. पायावरती सर्व दुसऱ्या पायावरती टूल्स ठेव सगळे. डोक्यावरती काय ठेवतो? वेब सर्व्हिसेस ठेव डोक्यावरती. चालेल, चांगलं आहे, चांगलं आहे, मस्त. Okay, daily I will add one question, interview questions. Okay, for Javas, for Android, for JDBCs, what are the questions you got? And this go. What is SHP? SHP? Edge, Android, Java, iPhone, yes? Yes? Struts. H? P? तो प्रपोजल दिलाच नाही मी PHP चा. बरं प्रोग्रामिंग चला. बरं ठीक आहे, चालेल चालेल. Okay, boss, is launched now. Let's try. Running now. Now let me enter here. Enter first. Invalid. Okay, okay, shit. Oh. अडीचशे मॅसेज कसे वाजायचे एवढे मोठे? चावलं तिकडे. Okay, boss, I'll enter here. Any name. I'll enter again here. Okay, fine, boss. Just close. Back. Click on invalid credentials. If I go back, when I go back, na, this should clear, na. I'll give you that assignment. Now next. VOSS. Here, VOSS. Without pressing login because I got that enter button, na. Okay, fine. You can write this code. Let me have the copy and paste. Where is my text? File, new, normal text, Control S. Android. This is my 12th day. This is the 12th. Okay. Let me copy and paste all the Control A, Control C. This is what was main activity.java. First, let me go for layout. Which layout, boss? activity underscore login, activity underscore login, activity underscore login dot xml. In here, let me copy the code. Control C. Guys, you can take any layout, guys, no matter. Okay, let me go here. Login activity dot java. Let me paste the code here from login dot java. Control A, Control C, Control V. Let me add one more. What are the names? One more layout. Welcome activity. Control A, Control C. Welcome activity dot xml. Welcome. Next, what should I do to add, boss? What should I do to add next? Welcome activity dot java. Okay, boss, fine. Let me come here. Welcome. Where is my welcome? Welcome dot java. Nothing is there. Okay, for your case, by default code is generated. Next, let me go for invalid login activity underscore. What is the name I give to you there? Invalid activity underscore invalid login activity underscore invalid underscore login dot xml. Control A, Control C. This is for welcome. This is for welcome. Let me here add invalid login dot java. Where is my invalid login? Invalid login. Nothing is there. It's a simple Java class. Fine. Those who want to refer, they can refer the code. Those who want to skip, they can skip remaining code. And one thing is, keep in mind that contents is already added. Those contents are already added in manifest. Check it here. Added, na? Huh? Okay then. Okay, boss. Power is off now. Currently, let me disable. Here. So here, what I want to do, instead of using this ID, what I want to do, I want to perform my operation by using this login. So in the case of Java class, I don't want to go for finding those control components. What I'll do, I'll create simply one method in Java. This is in where, boss? This is in layout. This is in layout.xml. Layout.xml. Okay, boss, fine. Now next, when I comes here, this is in activity.java. My activity, my login activity, or what is activity dot java. Here, this is a class, boss, all the classes. Okay. Within the onCreate method, after all the onCreate method, I write my own method. Public void open. Sorry, not open. What's the name of this button? Instead of name, what is the on-click event? Login, na? So same here also I'll write as a on login. And here I'll write my own logic. What logic you want to execute? What logic you want to execute? But you have to pass which view you are accessing. Which view you are accessing, guys. Understood? So we'll proceed this example for this views. Okay. चलेगा? Okay guys, we'll proceed for an example on this one. File, new, new. This is my which application was 14th, and on click, view. Okay. Next, 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 and finish. Okay. I'll do assignment for after this. Okay, boss. See my layout. If I go to layout, I've turned my here is what is the boss. Text view, simple. This is the example for example. Click on view. Okay. Let me add some text color, text size. So, for example, 35 and text color to make it highlight. Hash FLF G. Okay, boss. Let me give some more different color. Okay, boss. And here let me add one more dice. That's it. Let me add the button, wrap, and let me add, and it is depicted actually not on click. So let me add here login. Okay, anything you can give, boss. It's not that you have to give login, open, close, click me. You can take anything, boss. Okay, let me give the text here, some text, suppose click me. Okay, click me. I use same for button also. I can use same for my previous example also. Okay, click me. Fine, boss. This design. This is my design. Fine. And here let me go to my main activity.java. Here I will go for finding also. I'll go for writing my own method. This is on create na. So after on creator, I'll create my own method. Here is my public void login. The password was view any method name. Let me enter that. Let me go back, guys. Now what is the logic you want to create? What logic you want to display? That logic you should write here. And just let me prove that if you click on this one, some to display some toast message. Okay, toast dot make take. I will display main current class this comma. You click on me. Don't pinch me. Okay. And here length, how let me configure the length, and long length. Let me dot call the show. So you can create by using what boss? You can create this application by using by using the object. That object you can call it as show. Okay, boss. Let me click on OK. Okay, boss. When I click on this one, event is happening. Easy, na? Easy, can Don't pinch me, boss. Don't tease me. Okay, fine, boss. Let me go for new now. What is that? Switching with data. Switching with the data. Next, this is my second. Switching with the data. Now, here, if switching is done, by sending a data, by sending a data to next intent, to next intent is called as a switching with data. Let me give this example, boss. Let me open the pen. Here is my pen, and in this pen I'm having what boss? One phone. One phone. This is my phone boss. This is my one phone. And within the phone, I'm having two activities. One application contains two activities. And here let me configure the views. Let me add one more button. This is my button. And let me add the text here. Okay boss, fine. Here let me give one control U. Here is my name. When I enter the name, and when I click on, which button was submit. When I click on submit button, this should show here. Welcome, Mr. Welcome, Mr. dot slash or Miss, what it may be you want to call you. Okay. Welcome, Mr. or Miss. तुमचं नाव and you entered some name. What is the name you have passed? Are you getting? So this application should proceed. So we'll proceed for this one. When you click on from here to here, this should display. Are you getting? So this is the way. This is the way where I can send the data. The welcome will be available by default. I want to send from one to another. Over boss? Okay. Now here, send the name as data to first layout to second layout. So bundle is a container, is a container which can hold any kind of data, to send the data from one activity to second activity. We need to use intent class. We will use intent class methods. Like put extra and pass here key comma value pair. The key belongs to, okay, let me write in fully, key comma value. Okay, key and value pair, and you have to use and get extras. Okay, get extras method boss. Fine. Methods of intent. First, put extra. Okay. Put extra takes two parameters. Okay. First is string. Install this one. String and object. String key. Okay. Next here, object value. If you want to add information to your intent, you can use this method. Which method was? Put extra method. The information is represented as map. Here key comma value. Some snippet for this. Take an example. Intent I is equal to new intent of. Now here my take example. I can pass here this as a current class name, current class object, and target dot or destination or target. Okay, destination dot class. It is snippet is one, and here let me add what was I dot put extra. I dot put extra, and pass here. What you have to pass was the key and value. So what I want to pass here, name, and what I want to pass here, as my actual name is holding the variable. Okay, and just call here what was start activity, of I. Okay, boss, fine. Let me go one more method. Get extras. This method is used to get the added information from intent. Like an example was bundle B is equal to get intent dot get extras. Now just pass here string yes is equal to B dot get the string. What is the value? What is the key I pass over there? What is the key here, boss? Name, na? So pass here name. It is case sensitive, boss. Okay, fine. Here you got the string. Now what do you want to do by using string? You want to place, you want to copy, you want to paste. What the option you want to do, you can do. Okay, fine. Here you may ask the question that what is this, boss? What is this? This method belongs to which class? Now write the note for this. Here get intent. Here get intent. Here get intent is the method of activity class user to get the intent class object from the source activity. Okay, boss, fine. What? Design the following application. Design the following application. Following Android